Yo, hello Facebook, hello YouTubers, hello everyone watching. You're welcome to another exciting video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play Tonic solfas in all 12 keys. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. So with that being said, let's go straight to the video. We're going to be starting from the key of C. So in the key of C, we have what we call the number system. So the number system is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to the 1. All right. So you can call it 8, you can call it 8, or you can call it 1. It's the same thing as this one. All right. It's the same thing as this. So it's just in octave. All right. So with that being said, we don't have any black notes in the key of C major, all right? So we move into the key of C sharp, all right? Okay, so there's a key of C sharp. So in the number system, there's your 1, there's your 2, there's your 3, there's your 4, there's your 5, there's your 6, there's your 7, and back to the 1. Okay, in the key of C sharp, we have 5 black notes, which is this. Okay, there's a C sharp. Okay, there's the D sharp. Okay, there's the F sharp. There's the G sharp. There's the A sharp. All right. It's depending on the direction you're coming from. You can call them a sharps, or you can call them a flat. If you're going to the right, upwards, it's called sharps. Okay, but if you're coming downwards to the left, it's called flats. All right, so we go to the next key, which is in the key of D. Okay, so the number system in the key of D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to the 1. All right, so. So in the key of D, we have 2 black notes, the F sharp and the C sharp, all right? All right, the C sharp and the F sharp, okay? So we are going to be moving to the next key, which is the key of D sharp or E flat, okay? So this. System here is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to the 1. Okay, back to the 1. So we have 3 black notes in the key of D sharp or E flat. All right. So we move to the key of E. The number system is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to the 1. And in the key of E, we have 5 black notes. All right, 5 black notes. So we have the F sharp, the G sharp, and the C sharp, and the D sharp. Okay, so we move to the next key, which is in the key of F. So the number system in the key of F is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to the 1. All right. have only one black note, all right, which is the key of A sharp or B flat, all right. This is the A. When you move up, it becomes A sharp, or when you move downwards, it becomes B flat, all right. So in the key, we're going to be moving to the next key, which is in the key of F sharp. System in the key of F sharp is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to the 1. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to the 1. So in the key of F sharp, we have 5 black notes. We have the F sharp, we have the G sharp, we have the A sharp, we have the C sharp, we have the D sharp. Alright, we have the D sharp. Alright, so in the next key, which is the key of G, we have so the number system here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to the 1. So in the key of G, we have only one black note, which is the F sharp, all right, which is the F sharp. Take note of these things that I'm showing, all right. So we're moving to the next key, which is the key of G sharp or A flat. So system here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and back to the 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to the 1. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 4 black notes, all right. We have 4 black notes, which is the G sharp, the A sharp, the C sharp, the D sharp. We have the G sharp, we have the A sharp, we have the C sharp, we have the D sharp. All right, for the key of G sharp or A flat. Okay, so in the key of A. So in the key of A, we have the number system. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to the 1. All right. Okay. So in the key of C sharp, we have 3 black notes. All right. So we have the C sharp. Okay. We have the F sharp, we have the G sharp, all right. So we move to the next key, which is in the key of A sharp or B flat, all right. Number system 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to the 1, okay. Yeah, so we have only one black note in the key of A sharp or B flat. All right, so we move to the next key, which is the key of B. Okay, so the number system is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to the 1. So in the key of B, we have 5 black notes, all right? We have 5 black notes. Okay, so we'll go back to the C. So what this does actually for you is for you to help you in knowing how to play in all 12 keys, and also to make your fingers flexible. And another exercise that this exercise will be good for you is when you play it with both hands. Okay, it gives strength to your left hand. Okay, you know the left hand is always weak, so when you practice this tonic solfas in all 12 keys in your left hand, it actually makes you to gain control and make you to know how to solo, you know, using your both hands. All right, so let's try that. So guys, practice this in all 12 keys, and make sure to do it slowly so you can be able to gain control, mastery, and all of that. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. Watch out for my next video. Thanks guys, I love you.